guys, welcome back. Gonna start working on the passenger door now. So we're just gonna take it all apart and go from there. Basically the same thing. Take off the roller handle, the lock, you know, basically what I did on the other side, and I'll take off the weather stripping, get that off, and you know, everything else. So basically that's what we're gonna do. And once we get that off and everything torn apart, and then I could test my door poppers, because I want to get both of them on installed. That way I can take the dash apart, hook that up, and get the poppers working. But I want to take the doors apart first, so we got to take out all the little screw ends and everything first. These out. Kind of gross, kind of greasy. Okay, so now we'll take this piece off. We remember we have to take a little. Oh, this one's loose. To take that little clip out, but man, that's loose. So anyway, I'll get a little flat blade in here and push that out. Yeah, that one doesn't work either. So I don't even know if this one will lock. We'll see when we take the door off. So I'm having some issues. So this one, I don't know, it was kind of sheared off on the inside there, and I got the clip out, but it just did not want to come off. I had to break it. So you can see I had to break it just to get it off. And now same thing here. I don't see no clip though down on here to release it. So I'm not seeing a clip at all. Not feeling one or anything. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. I'd hate to break this too, but I'm not seeing no clip at all. Not a one. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. So anyway, we'll mess with it a little bit more and see if we can get it off. But yeah, I don't know. I've been just kind of wiggling it back and forth. It kind of has a lot of wiggle to it, but there's nothing, no clip or nothing holding it in there. I can't feel nothing, see? It's in the groove, but I don't know. Right, so I was able to get it off. Wasn't very fun though. I'll just take this door panel off. Just held on by a few screws here. That's a long one. Who the heck put this in? It's extremely long. Anyway. And this one down here. Oh, I'm gonna get some oh, look at that bolt. I'm gonna get some penetration spray on there first. Let it sit. So look how brittle that was. Just falling apart. Anyway, so that was up on this end, and so then now we can start taking apart the rubber. Let's see if this penetration spray worked. Boy, that's on there. Well, we'll let it sit a little bit longer. Let's see if we can take this stuff out. Get all this old gunk out. There's a screw underneath there. Okay. Alright, so I got everything off. Pull off that Velcro things. Lift up and over and out. Alright. Whew. Look at that. That is Disgusting. Man, look at all this. This side's way worse. Look how just disgusting this stuff is. Yeah. This is gonna take some time to clean up for sure. Yeah, I don't know what the heck has happened on this side, but yeah, this side's a lot more gross. At least all my rods and everything are here. So, but you can see it wasn't attached. Came off. I don't know. I have no idea. So anyway, yeah, so now let's take it all apart and clean it up. I mean, this is gross. I'm gonna have to get my razor on this one and scrape off all this stuff, clean it down. Yeah, this whole thing's looking. This whole thing's just looking rubber. Just every time I pull a little bit, it breaks. So I'm gonna get a little screwdriver in here. Maybe a pick will work. And sorry. There. Move it a little bit. Yeah, this is gonna take some work. Oh, this is in there good. Yeah, this is gonna take a lot of work. So I'm gonna be here a while. Okay, we're gonna need the scraper. Oh, broke my razor. Holy cow. Oh man, that's not gonna work. Maybe I could just do it with a screwdriver, scrape it down. Oh, this is gonna take forever. What I might do is when I get the majority off, I'll come with my little Dremel and just hit it real quick. I think that'll be the best way to go at this, because this is not going to work very well. Get all this old rubber off. God. Crazy. Just put that back in just to we don't lose it. All right. Yeah, it's still pretty warm, but I feel a lot better than I did the last few days, so. So that's why I'm out here doing this. That one. See, and they put in an aftermarket striker here too. Interesting, because this one looks bronze. The other one looked plastic. It just crumbles. Oh my. Oh, see, breeze is coming up, so it feels pretty good. Oh, I got a bigger piece. Oh man. The best thing about this is once I'm done, I'm done. I won't have to redo this ever again, you know. As long as I own the car anyway. Somebody else can mess with it when if they ever buy it or get it. This just goes to show like how much work and detail goes into restoring a car, you know, and fixing everything. Even just like this little weather stripping that doesn't want to come up. Old weathered down weather stripping. Oh, good. The bottom came off real easy. Okay. Come on, let's get lucky. All right. Let's get rid of some of this original goop. There we go. Yeah. Scrape that off nice and good. Same with this. Alright. That has a little string to it. The reason they have the goop here mainly is for no rattling, but when the car's running with my side exhaust, I can't hear a damn thing anyway besides the exhaust. So, but anyway, yeah, we're taking off the goop because I'm going to paint everything, make this stuff look nice. All right. That one. All right, where do we leave off here? All right, scrape off more goop. All right, so remember this chrome piece, they have those little poppers in there, so you have to pull these out. Oh man, there's spider webs all up in there. These have to pop out first. Alright. And this piece come with it. Alright, there's that old piece. Now this one. Alright, here we go. Disgusting. Okay, so this is the way you should have took it out. Is by taking it through here, dropping that one, then raise this one up until you get to the very top here. Then you take out this one over here. Okay. And roll it all the way up if we can. And then this is where you're going to pry it out. if you can. Okay. Oh, we gotta take out the one track. This one. Or it's not gonna go anywhere. Alright. Now we got that. Put that bolt back in there so we don't lose it. Okay. Alright, so now should be able to pry it back and forth. This one's loose. This one just has a little bit of pressure to it, so there we go. Okay, there we go. Roll the window down just a little bit. So now this end's loose. Now we just have to pop off this corner over here. So, and then it should come right on out. Oh, look how disgusting this one is. All right, what we hung up on. I have to tilt it and pull it out. All right, so we got that one out. That roller's loose, but still good. Okay. There's that. Yeah, so it's been really hot here like today. Still, I'm pretty warm, but at least I'm not feeling like tired and faint. So as long as I don't feel like I said like getting a headache or tired or faint, I'm fine. And usually I'm used to the heat, but it always takes about like a month, a couple weeks to a month to get used to the heat. Look at that, it's all that old, I don't know if you can see it, all that old grease. Alright, that's loose. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little panel off. I'm gonna take this off one right here. It's funny, on the outside it looks worse, but on the inside it's looking better. Huh, go figure. Alright, we'll just set this to the side. There, it came out one end. Now maybe we can get this track out. There we go. There. Alright, that'll get that track out. So, oh my gosh. Oh, disgusting. We're gonna definitely clean that up. All right, let's see if we can pull this scissor thing out. All right, there's that out. And let's get that last track out. I forgot I had to clean the tracks. Boy. Oh, and this track is all loose over here. Oh my gosh. Got all sorts of problems on this door. How'd this door even stay on? I don't know. That was just loose. All right, and then that track, and then we'll come back and do the door handle later. So we'll move all my junk, and we'll clean up all my parts, my tracks, and stuff like that. So, all right. So there's all our parts. Let's go clean them up. Okay, so. Alright, you remember how we cleaned these last time? We got some of my brake cleaner in here. Move it over a little bit. Alright. Kind of let that soak in a little bit. Wanted to start breaking up that grease and whatever else is in here. Okay. And for the inside tracks, we just took my screwdriver and just got up all the big stuff. There we go. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of grease in here. Some hard grease. Let's go ahead and get it out. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Let me just spray it down one more time. Go. Now that we got that, take your white lithium. Ooh, that came out fast. Spin it in there, get it in there, and wipe the excess off. All right, look out. See? Spins great. So, all right, let's clean this out a little bit more. All right, so that part got cleaned up. Okay, we'll set that to the side, and we'll go back to these. Grease. This stuff's crazy. It looks like I'm wiping all the lithium grease off, but I'm really not. Trust me, it's greasy as all. Look how caked on this stuff is. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I'm thinking I might have to soak that in some solution overnight and see if that stuff will come off. I'll spray a little bit with brake cleaner and see if we can get the top surface stuff off, but man, that is just caked on. So yeah, that'll be easy to clean there, but holy smokes. All right, so after three cans of brake cleaner, and got it back to where it kind of looks fairly clean. Everything working really good in it, so I'm gonna still use it. I sprayed lithium grease in there, and we'll just let that sit and do its thing. And then now we gotta come over here and kind of clean up this mess, and then I gotta change out that doorknob and put it on. But I want to do paint protection on this stuff, so I gotta take out the door the door handle first, and then I'm gonna kind of clean up some more of the area along here. Gotta clean that up and do, like I said, a little more protection. Put some OSO on there along the rust, for no more rust will, you know, come along. And then yeah, just spray paint it, and then I can start throwing stuff back together on it. And then after that, we'll start working on this door, start sanding it down and doing its thing. So okay, closer. All right, so just a rough primer job on that, and then on the inside of the door, got all that. So we'll let that sit for the night. Then tomorrow we'll come by, take the door handle off, and we'll fiberglass the hole. Kind of looks weird now, huh? With that hole, if you go on the other side, it looks nice and clean. Just looks so much smoother without that, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, I'm leaving off there tonight. I've done way too much. Really tired. Thirsty as all hell too. Been drinking a lot of water though throughout this, but still, the heat is getting to me. So, okay, we'll leave off right there. I really appreciate you guys, you know, sticking with me and watching my nonsense, what I'm going through. So, okay, catch you next time.